Welcome to SciTech Info, dear UPSC, TNPSC, NEET and JEE aspirants and school and college students.
Let us consider this problem based on the area of hexagon and the area of equilateral triangle. So first of all, let us try to understand what do you mean by the hexagon. The hexagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides of equal length. Let me call the A the side of hexagon. And in that hexagon, how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 triangles are there. And how about the nature of each triangle? They are all equilateral triangle. Lateral means side, so equilateral means equal sides. So here already A, that is equal sides of triangle, are given. So A is equal in all sides, 18 centimeter. 18 centimeter. And you have got 6 triangles, and in each triangle you have been given some human values like truth in the first triangle. In the second triangle you have non-violence. Third triangle, that is cleanliness. Fourth triangle, discipline. Fifth triangle, punctuality. Sixth triangle, honesty. So for each triangle you are given some human values. Now what is asked here? Find the area of honesty and non-violence. So we have to find out honesty. Where is honesty? Triangle 6. And where is non-violence? Triangle 2. So we have to consider triangle 2 and triangle 6. Okay. In fact, both of them are equal values only. Right? Okay. Now, A is equal to 18 centimeter, and here that is the area of each triangle, that is equilateral triangle. So area of equilateral triangle is given by root 3 by 4 A square. So this is the formula, root 3 by 4 A square. So as we know already, let me shade one triangle. Here you have got the true triangle as well as non-violence triangle. So our idea is, in fact you know very well, if you find out one triangle, so that you can apply to all values of triangle. So if it is A, this is also A, this is also A, is it not? Because all sides are equal in an equilateral triangle. Not only that, all angles are also equal. Okay, each of them will be having 60 degree, so that according to angle sum property, sum of all these angles will be 180. So each will be 60 degree. So 3 into 60, 180. Okay. Now our idea is to find out the area of equilateral triangle. So area of equilateral triangle is given by root 3 by 4 A square. So area of equilateral triangle is equal to, what is A? A is 18. So you can put root 3 by 4 into A square. 18 into 18. So you can have 2 2s are 4, 9 and again 9. So you have 81 root 3. Okay, 9 into 9, 81. 81 into root 3 square meter. So this is the equilateral triangle. Are you able to follow? Okay. So I already taught you how to find out the root. Okay. Otherwise you can remember this root. The root 3 is 1.732. So 81 into 1.732 you had to multiply. Okay. Now let us find out, suppose if you have forgotten this, what you can do, you can find out root 3 by division method. Okay, so let us proceed with this. 3 1 1 1 times the perfect square within 3 is only 1, so you can put 2, and when you put the decimal you can drop 2 zeros. Okay, now multiply by 2, so 2 into 1 2, and how many times, what is the complete square, perfect square obtained within 200? So try, shall we put 5 into 5 20, 125, 6 7 8, shall we put 8? Okay, so 8 means 8 8s are 64, balance 6, 8 2s are how much? 8 8 are 64, balance 6, 8 2s are 16, so 16 plus 6 how much? 22, so it exceeds, so you have to put 7 only. Okay, so try with 7 sevens are 49, balance 4, 7 2s are 14, plus 4 18. Now 10 minus 1 9 1, and then 9 minus 8 1, 1 minus 1 0, again you have to put 2 0. Okay, now what you are supposed to do, you have got the quotient here, you had to multiply by 2, so 3.4, or you can put simply 34. Okay, now you have to try, that is by which number you can get the perfect square. Okay, so you can put 3, so 3, so 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, balance 1, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, so 10 29, so you can put 10 minus 9 1, 9 minus 2 7, or you will follow, then 0 only, so again put 00, and what you can do, you have to multiply this by 2, therefore you will get 3 4 6, and within that how many times it can go? 2 times, so 2 times, so that is why you are able to get 1.732. I hope now you should be able to understand how to obtain the square root of 3. Okay, now 81 into 1.732, is it not? So you had to multiply this. Okay, so when you multiply you will get the final value 140.3, how much? 0. Okay, 140.3, so you can roughly put 140.30. Okay, and then so this is the area of triangle, and you can put area of triangle of what is asked here, honesty and non-violence. They asked 2 triangles. Okay, so you have to once again multiply by 2, so area of total area of honesty and what is that, non-violence, is equal to 2 into 140.30, so that is 280.60 square centimeter. So the area of honesty and non-violence is 280.6. It can be a value based question also, so they may ask, for instance, that is among these 6 triangles, which should be given priority? All should be given, because all have equal values. Are you will follow? So as a human being, we should have these values. What are these values? Truth, non-violence, cleanliness, discipline, punctuality, honesty. All these 6 values should be given equal importance. So this is the value obtained from this problem. So do you understand this? And that is, if you have got any doubt, you can ask me in the comment call. Okay.
யாம் பெற்ற இன்பம் பெருக இவ்வையகம் என்பதற்கேற்ப please subscribe if you like our educational contents and share with your family and friends. Thank you for spending your valuable time.